In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use companion mode in Google Meet. Confidently joining meetings and making use of all the features available enhances your productivity and lets you collaborate more efficiently with others. Google Meet is an excellent platform for video conferencing, and companion mode is a unique feature that ensures you stay connected without missing out on any collaborative activity, even if multiple people are in the same room. First, let's start by joining a Google meeting. To do this, you'll need to have the meeting link or navigate to your calendared meeting through Google Calendar. Look for the meeting that you've been invited to and click on it to join. Don't worry if this seems straightforward. We're here to ensure everyone can get started without any hiccups. Once you've entered the meeting, you might notice different options or icons available on the interface. One of these options is Companion Mode. To activate this, locate the button labeled Use Companion Mode. Don't worry if you haven't used this feature before. It's designed to enhance your experience, especially if there are multiple participants in the same physical space. Companion mode allows you to join a Google Meet call on a second device, which is perfect for scenarios where you want to use one device's speakers and microphones while using another for note-taking or participating in chat. This is particularly handy if you happen to be in a conference room where multiple people are accessing the same meeting, reducing the risk of unnecessary feedback or audio issues. After clicking on Use Companion Mode, a new screen will open where you can continue participating in the meeting without enabling the microphone and camera on this particular device. This way, you can seamlessly follow along with the presentation or discussion, engage in the chat, and access shared documents or whiteboarding tools while avoiding audio interference. Remember, even in companion mode, you're still a part of the meeting and can make the most of interactive features such as polls or Quanda sessions. Feel free to utilize these tools to maintain an active presence in the meeting, contributing when needed. In summary, using companion mode in Google Meet is a flexible solution that enhances your participation experience, whether you're entering from a quiet home office or a bustling conference room. So next time you join a meeting with Google Meet, consider how companion mode can help manage your multiple devices and interactions effectively. And that wraps up our guide on using companion mode. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep these tips in mind for your next meeting and see how much more you can accomplish with this feature. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tech tips, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.